last point, hormonal releasing IUDs make the uterus unsuitable for implantation and cervix hostile to the sperm. This method is how it work. First of all, पहले दृष्टि ने हमसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था CVS के बारे में. हाँ जी, दृष्टि इज प्रेजेंट टुडे? यस. जी बेटा जी, आपने पूछा था CVS. CVS इज द ना क्रोनिकल विलस सेल होते हैं ये. ठीक है, मैं बता रही हूँ जनरली, आप सुन लीजिए पहले. CVS जो है ना कॉर्निकल विलस सेल होते हैं जो हमारी ना प्रेगनेंसी के ड्यूरिंग जनरेट होते हैं. इन सेल से ना हम बेबी के ना डिफेक्ट के बारे में पता लगाते हैं, यानी बेबी के बॉडी के अंदर कौन सा डिफेक्ट है, यानी उसका ब्रेन प्रॉपर वर्क कर रहा है या नहीं, हार्ट प्रॉपर वर्क कर रहा है या नहीं, हैंड्स प्रॉपर वर्क कर रहे हैं यानी एक तरह से हम बच्चे की ना कंप्लीट बेबी की कंप्लीट बॉडी देख सकते हैं, यानी उसके सेक्स के बारे में भी इससे हम पता लगा सकते हैं. इट इज अ प्रीनेटल टेस्ट. CVS इज अ हाईली मॉडिफाइड प्रीनेटल टेस्ट और ये कलर्ड होता है. डज नॉट प्रोवाइड इंफॉर्मेशन एज द न्यूरल टाइप. ये होता तो है, सारे डिफेक्ट बताता है, बट ये ब्रेन से रिलेटेड डिफेक्ट नहीं बता सकता. इज इट क्लियर? इट इज नॉट क्लियरिफाई द ब्रेन रिलेटेड डिफेक्ट लाइक दैट स्पाइनल फीडा and the spinal type of neural type of diseases etc. It is helpful in fetal disorder, discovering the fetal disorder during the early stage of pregnancy. Is it clear? और ये 12 मंथ 10th से 12th वीक में होता है, यानी 3 मंथ आफ्टर द बिफोर 3 मंथ होता है ये टेस्ट. इसके बाद ये टेस्ट नहीं होता. आपने पूछा था ना CVS हाउ डन इन द प्रेगनेंसी, 10th to 12th वीक में होता है. इज इट क्लियर?
ओके मैम.
क्लियर है बेटा? हाँ जी. नेक्स्ट वी
अगर
विल
मैम
मूव.
प्रॉब्लम
हाँ जी
हो
बोलिए.
तो ब्रेन
हाँ
का
जी,
कैसे पता चलेगा कि जो फीटस है उसके मतलब ब्रेन में या कोई प्रॉब्लम कुछ भी हो तो उसका कैसे पता चलेगा? उसके लिए भी कोई
इससे
टेस्ट
भी
होता है?
उसके लिए भी बहुत सारे टेस्ट होते हैं बेटा. कलर टेस्ट होते हैं, जैसे अल्ट्रासाउंड के ना आगे मॉडिफाइड 8 मंथ में होता है, 7 मंथ में, 5th मंथ में, अलग अलग डिफरेंट टाइप को टेस्ट होते हैं. जैसे अमीनोसेंटेसिस है, वो बच्चे की सेक्स डिटरमिनेशन के लिए किया जाता है. उसमें क्या होता है, जब पोलर बॉडी जनरेट हो जाती है तो हम उससे बॉडी वो फीमेल की वॉम में से फ्लूइड लेते हैं ड्यूरिंग द प्रेगनेंसी. और अगर उसमें पोलर बॉडी है तो इसमें वो फीमेल है, अगर पोलर बॉडी एब्सेंट है इसमें वो मेल बेबी है. इज इट क्लियर? तो ऐसे ही बहुत सारे टेस्ट होते हैं जो डिफेक्ट्स का पता लगाने के लिए किए जाते हैं. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द हार्मोनल रिलीज. इज इट क्लियर? हार्मोनल रिलीजिंग कैसे वर्क करता है? IUDs है मेक यूट्रस अनसुटेबल फॉर द इम्प्लांटेशन एंड सर्विक्स hostile. I had already told you hostile means not welcoming the sperm. यानी hostile का real meaning क्या है? Not welcoming the sperm. They don't like the sperm enter inside the uterus. They are effective and most commonly used. They are effective and most commonly used. How it help in the delay of pregnancy? क्या करते हैं? डिलेइंग ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी. और कब क्रिएट हार्मोनल रिलीजिंग IUDs का यूज किया जाता है? IUDs का व्हेन फीमेल वांट टू गैप इन देयर चिल्ड्रन. यस बाय स्टूडेंट, देयर आर पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ साइड इफेक्ट. जो हार्मोनल रिलीजिंग IUDs है, दे आर वेरी वेरी साइड इफेक्ट क्रिएटिंग. क्यों? बिकॉज हम हार्मोन्स के साथ प्ले कर रहे हैं. हम अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर नीड्स इनका लेवल इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाई साइड इफेक्ट. biological body is very complicated. You all know our body is very complicated. So when we play with our body chemical like hormones, then side effects is also generate possibility, 100% of possibility to create the side effect inside the female body. Because you insert a foreign material inside the female body, you insert the foreign material inside the female body, there can be side effective which cause the side effect 100%. IUDs device के लिए you have to visit proper doctor or nurses. You can't handle itself. This type of IUDs devices you can't handle yourself. Condom, diapers, walls, IUDs कैन वर्ड्स को आप खुद ब खुद यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे कॉन्डम हो गए, डायफर्स हो गए, वॉल्स हो गए, दे कैन बी यूज इजिली by itself. IUDs can be need proper doctor and proper expert nurses. They can't handle itself. Is it clear? Next is the very, very important point here. Next is, sorry. Next is oral contraceptive. You already know about the oral contraceptive. Just a minute, wait. Here is the oral contraceptive. What is the oral contraceptive? Ingested through mouth. It is taken through the mouth. Oral contraceptive is used by the with the help of mouth. It is also based on the hormone. It is also based on the mouth. It is also based on the hormone and responsible in which main factor is which oral contraceptive we use. They are made up of hormone. They are made up of hormone. For how it work in our body? How it work in our body? Oral contraceptive how work in our body? They are the hormones. They are completely based on the hormones. They prevent और inhibit मतलब होता है inhibit meaning रोकना. They prevent और inhibit ovulation यानी ओवा को रिलीज ही नहीं होने देते and implantation of pregnancy inside the uterus. और अगर ओवा रिलीज हो गया और आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन भी होगी तो ये एम्ब्रियो को इम्प्लांट ही नहीं होने देते यूट्रस के अंदर ड्यू टू द हार्मोनल डिक्रीज और इंक्रीज. इज इट क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? नेक्स्ट इज द here which type of hormone we use. Progesterone is we use as hormone here. Progesterone estrogen combination is also used here. Is it clear? Progesterone and estrogen combination are used here. Just a minute, I'll show you. हाँ जी, here we use the just contraceptive में we use the progesterone plus combination of progesterone and estrogen combination tablets. It is in the form of tablet which oral which tablet is we use as a oral contraceptive. We pronounce as a pills. Is it clear? We pronounce as a pills. Tablet pills. It give female in the form of pills. It is provided to the female in the form of pills or tablet. It is given to the female in the pills or tablets. Is it clear? Here last point is concentrate on your screen beta. Taken daily 21 days. Pills are taken continuous 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 like that, continuous in 21 days, daily taken by female, one tablet for the 21 days. Is it clear? But during the menstruation cycle, when bleeding occur, during the menstruation cycle, there is no pills taken. There is no pills taken. Yani beginning of periods, 5 days, no medicine is taken, no pills is taken. And at the end of menstruation cycle, also pills are not taken. It means 5 days of menstruation or 2 days of ending of the complete woman cycle, any ovulation cycle, there is no medicine is taken. That's why here mentioned, just a minute, wait. See carefully. Taken daily 21 days. यानी medicine daily लेनी है, continuous 1 to लेके 21 days continuously. Beginning first 5 days of menstruation cycle. When bleeding is occur, 5 days of the menstruation cycle, there is no pills are taken. And end up of the ovulation cycle, there is 2 days. No medicine is taken. That's why gap of 7 days in menstruation occur. And repeat when menstruation and 7 days create गैप क्रिएटेड अगेन फिर स्टार्टिंग होगी फर्स्ट टू लेके 20 days ऑफ दिस पिल. इज इट क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? क्लियर बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट इज बेटा, अगर ये क्लियर नहीं हुआ है, हमें क्या करना है, पिल्स जो होती हैं कैसे लेनी होती हैं, पहले फर्स्ट 21 डेज लेनी होती हैं, फिर आफ्टर दैट 5 डेज का गैप ड्यूरिंग द ब्लीडिंग साइकिल यानी मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल, एंड अप ऑफ द मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल 2 डेज अगेन गैप, यानी इट क्रिएट द proper 7 days gap, again start from first to 21 days, again same procedure is repeated. Is it clear? 21 days continuously in the bleeding, in bleeding, avoid tablet. They affect hormone. They are the effective hormone, and female body is very complicated. The female body is very complicated. You have seen many female have the hormonal problems. You all see the lots of girls and females are suffering from the hormonal disorder. Is it? These things are responsible. ये थिंग्स जो होती हैं, जो मैरिड फीमेल्स होती हैं, उनके अंदर रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस के लिए. यू शुड नॉट यूज इट, अवॉइड इट. इन जर्नल सेंस कहा जाए तो इन थिंग्स का ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव टोटली हार्मोनल बेस्ड थिंग्स टोटली अवॉइडेड करनी चाहिए. डॉक्टर ऑल्सो रिकमेंड अवॉइडेंस. डॉक्टर भी इस चीज को अवॉइड करते हैं. यू शुड नॉट प्ले विद योर बॉडी बिकॉज you should have no right to play with your body. Hormone is the biological component. Hormone is biological component. Don't play with the hormone as like a machine, like a fridge etc. If one time it is spoiled और खराब हो जाते हैं, दोबारा अगेन ये उसी स्टेज में नहीं आते, आप चाहे इन्हें कितनी भी प्रॉपर तरीके से रिपेयर करा ले. Like that female body is, when hormonal imbalance is created in one time in their body, there is too much complication in the female body. Is it clear? There are too much complication created in the female body. Clear? You should not play with the mechanism because it disturbs the mechanism of our body. Oral contraceptive, how much you increase or decrease it, I suggest you go for other method rather than using this oral contraceptive method. And hormonal based things you should totally avoid. Is it clear? Totally avoid. Female menstruation cycle also vary female to female. You all already know about that. You had read in the last chapter, third chapter of your book. It is vary from female to female. Some in 28 days, 25 days, 30 days in female to female vary. Sometimes due to the stress and anxiety, and stress, menstruation cycle not occur. There are many factors in the female, should be very careful about their health. There are the very complicated factor in the female body. We should careful about females. Is it clear? We increase the eating habit. There are the lot of factor which affect female health. Okay beta, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is the,
Yes, ma'am.
just a minute. After that, after the continuous for 21 days in the bleeding period, avoid it. First 5 days of the menstruation cycle, it is not taken. After the gap of 7 days, menstruation occur. Repeat has again. Then 7 days is avoided toward the end. 2 days in the end of the menstruation cycle, whole of the cycle, and 2 days are also avoided. Then totally write down gap of 7 days. Is it clear? Gap of 7 days. Next is oral contraceptive or hormone eating. They are totally, if someone asks you what is the oral contraceptive, they are the hormone eating tablet. Hormonal tablet. Hormones are given to the females. These are the hormones which are given to the female. Bleeding means menstruation cycle. Is that clear everybody? Bleeding means somewhere I am using the bleeding. It's mean menstruation cycle. What is happening in the oral pills? what is happening in the oral pills? Hormones are given in this. Hormones are given in this. Student, what happened? Hormone prevent. क्या करते हैं हार्मोन? हार्मोन प्रिवेंट इम्प्लांटेशन. they prevent implantation. Is it clear? They prevent the ovulation and implantation. Firstly, they prevent the ovulation means ओवा को रिलीज ही नहीं होने देते. सेकेंडली, अगर ओवा रिलीज हो गया है या फर्टिलाइजेशन हो गई है, देन दे प्रिवेंट इम्प्लांटेशन, यानी प्रेगनेंसी को होने से रोकते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? And what happened? Only 21 days continuously avoid and 5 days in the bleeding and end of the 2 days also. When menstruation is happen, it is not taken. Why? After a gap is created because progesterone level is up and down in this case, and if when we take the pill during the bleeding cycle or menstruation cycle, it creates too much complications in our body, which is not properly treated by doctor. Because if we take hormonal hormone from outside also, or our hormonal level in during the menstruation cycle is also increased, then the complications are created in our body. Is it clear? Hormones are inhibit ovulation and implantation, avoidance of pregnancy, alter quality of cervical mucus. What is the meaning of the cervical mucus here? Here is the cervical mucus is the liquid filled in the liquid like material present in the cervical canal. Is it clear? Liquid like material present in the cervical canal. You also say that the fluid present in the cervical entry. Is it? Prevent and retard entry of sperm. What is the meaning? Alter quality of cervical mucus to prevent retard entry of sperm. Fluid present in the cervical entry, it check the multiple level. Here जो हार्मोनल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव है, दे कैन वर्क एट द मल्टीपल लेवल, नॉट इन वन लेवल कि उसने ओवुलेशन होने से रोक दिया और इम्प्लांटेशन होने से रोक दिया. ओनली दिस, दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ द हार्मोनल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव. हियर इट आल्सो चेक द एंट्री ऑफ स्पर्म. इट चेंज द सर्वाइकल कैनाल, जो कैनाल का पाथवे है, इट चेंज द म्यूकस and prevent the entry of sperm. Here it change because it act on the because biology is a very complicated in our case. Biological science is very complicated. क्या करते हैं? They create the environment like that, phagocytosis increase, and they avoid the entry of sperm inside the cervical canal. Is it clear? Pills क्या है now? Pills are very effective. They are very effective. Hormonal based है, they are very effective. Few side effect नहीं है, large side effect create करती हैं. Widely accepted है because पहले लोगों को other methods का पता नहीं था. That's why they are using the pills. In rural areas now it is the pills. These are hormonal based which create complications in our body. The very common contraceptive already you had know about the Saheli. Ads आती थी इसकी national पे, Saheli. It is taken once one a week pills. It is a hormonal based and taken as a once a week. Only one pill in a week. Is it? High contraceptive value. It has the high contraceptive value. Means result is very effective. Their result is very effective. Saheli once a week pills, high contraceptive value, but nowadays I would say to you, it should be avoided. It should be totally avoided. It creates stress and all these things. It creates stress as well as complications in their body. And don't play with your hormones. First, I recommended here, don't play with your hormones. I would say again, avoid hormonal based thing completely. You go for other method rather than using this type of method. Is it clear, everybody? Clear, beta? Here
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wait, next is progesterone combination with estrogen. We have taken the progesterone as the combination of estrogen. Just a minute. Progesterone or in combination with the estrogen. Combination with estrogen, I had already told you in yesterday. I had already told you in yesterday lecture. Injection through also occur. It is I had told you कि directly hormonal injection given to your implanted to your skin, implanted to your skin. That is also based on hormonal based, because progesterone and the estrogen both are the hormones present inside the female body. During medicine taken very difficult, daily medicine taken, daily pills lena, the once a week pills lena, that is very difficult task. That's why what females, what to do they do, what do they do, females, they planning to space the baby. Who is planning to space the baby? What does she do it? She goes get injected, injection. She goes and get injection. Which type of injection is taken? Hormonal injection. These are the hormonal based injection. Is it clear? These are the hormonal based injections, which will prevent ovulation. Which will prevent ovulation. How it works? Which will prevent ovulation and implantation. They also work as the same. Which type of hormonal based oral contraceptive work? The injection is also work like that. Injection is implanted under the skin. Skin में directly injection दे दिया जाता है. These injection are totally based on the hormone. The injection is totally based on the hormone, which will prevent ovulation. Similar task है. Prevent करेंगे ovulation as well as the implantation. Are you getting my point? It also prevent the ovulation as well as implantation. Is it clear everybody? It prevent ovulation. ओवा रिलीज ही नहीं होने देंगे या प्रेगनेंसी को कैरी आउट ही नहीं करने देंगे. Is it clear? Are you getting my point? रोज रोज पिल्स खाने से they can choose the a simple and easy method to goes to doctor and get injected. They goes to doctor and get injection. Is it clear? Then student skin is implant. हाँ जी बोलिए बेटा. हेलो
मैम क्लियर है.
clear है. The student skin implanted has effective longer period. It is a very effective and it is effective for a longer period. Long time तक एक ही इंजेक्शन काफी इफेक्टिव रहता है. But it is also based on the hormonal. So it increase or decrease our body hormonal level and create complication inside our body also. Is it clear? मोड ऑफ एक्शन क्या है? सिमिलर है, आपको पहले ही बताया. एज यूजुअल हार्मोनल बेस्ड है. ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव की तरह ही काम करेगा. ओव्यूलेशन एंड इम्प्लांटेशन को प्रिवेंट करेगा. मोड ऑफ एक्शन सिमिलर टू पिल्स. इट आल्सो प्रिवेंट द ओव्यूलेशन एंड इम्प्लांटेशन. इफेक्टिव फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड. आई हैड ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. नाउ IUDs and progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination within 72 hours. You have already know about the. It is the concept of IPL 72 hours. Yani if here concentrate clearly beta. It is very important thing. IUDs and pills. What do they do? They have effective after copulation. They have also effective after copulation, means after sexual intercourse they are also effective. After sexual intercourse they are also effective. They can be used to prevent pregnancy. मान लीजिए क्या हुआ, ovulation भी हो गई. After that fertilization also take place and sexual intercourse भी हो गया. Then in 72 hours they prevent the pregnancy also. It also work at the third level. After the fertilization also they prevent the pregnancy. Example है unwanted 72. Unwanted 72 means unwanted pregnancy, which females do not want any child or pregnancy. They use the unwanted 72 pills. These are the I pill, 72 hours, unwanted 72, etc. Is it clear? It is also effective in during after the coitus. Coitus means sexual relationship. It is also known as the emergency contraceptive. It is a combination of progesterone or in combination of estrogen complex. It is very complex, which act as the emergency contraceptive. Why it is known as the emergency contraceptive? It is used in the like rape cases, which is the victim. We apply at the rape cases or unprotected intercourse. During the unprotected intercourse, in which females suffer, those females which are suffer from the rape cases, we provide the unwanted 72 pills. And unprotected, the female which do not want the pregnancy, but they are carry the unprotected intercourse, then this type of pills are used in these cases. Is it clear? Like rape victim, in case of the unprotected intercourse, female do not want baby. In that cases, prevent pregnancy after sexual intercourse. That's why it is called as the emergency contraceptive. That's why it is known as the emergency contraceptive. It might be in case of rape, unprotected intercourse, they used to prevent pregnancy. They used to prevent pregnancy. Yes, student, are you getting my point? Any doubt regarding to there? कोई डाउट है बेटा इस पॉइंट के रिगार्डिंग? क्लियर एवरीबॉडी?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा जी, नेक्स्ट है आपका सर्जिकल मेथड एंड दैट मेथड इज आल्सो नोन एज द स्टरलाइजेशन मेथड. सर्जिकल मेथड इज आल्सो नोन एज द स्टरलाइजेशन मेथड. Is it clear everybody? Just a minute, wait. हाँ जी, सर्जिकल मेथड क्या है? इन विच सर्जरी डन. इट इज द इन विच सर्जिकल मेथड क्या है? इन विच सर्जरी डन टू प्रिवेंट प्रेगनेंसी. इन दिस केस डायरेक्टली सर्जरी ही कर दी जाती है टू प्रिवेंट द प्रेगनेंसी. इट इज द टर्मिनल मेथड. It is the terminal method. What is the terminal method? After that, the female, if in female it is a termination method है, generally समझ लीजिए. कल हम इसके tomorrow we will discuss in detail. Terminal method है, अगर ये female में होती है then female can't birth again to any child. If ये male में की जाती है surgical method use किया जाता है, then male is not giving again and a child to birth, यानी sterilize हो जाता है. Is it clear? हाँ जी, regarding to this topic any other कोई क्यूरी है तो बेटा जी you may ask question. हाँ जी बेटा जी, regarding to this section अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चनिंग है तो you may ask question because very less time is there left. हाँ जी, कोई क्वेश्चनिंग है बेटा जी? कोई डाउट है रिगार्डिंग टू दिस टॉपिक? एनीवे? हाँ जी, कोमल शर्मा, नितिन राणा, विधि, रितु, साहिल. हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम, जो ट्यूबेक्टोमिक फीमेल है, क्या हम उसको सैरोगेट मदर कह सकते हैं? क्या वो उसकी तरह एक्ट कर सकती है?
मतलब जो आपकी एक मिनट. हाँ जी, कर सकती है, क्योंकि अगर हम बेबी को डायरेक्टली यूट्रस में प्लांट करते हैं, क्योंकि हम तो फर्टिलाइजेशन का मेथड ब्लॉक कर रहे हैं ना, फ्लोपियन ट्यूब को कट कर रहे हैं ना. इज इट क्लियर? फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रिवेंट कर रहे हैं हम, स्पर्म की एंट्री का पाथ ही बंद कर दे रहे हैं, ओवल्यूशन नहीं हो रही है उसके अंदर. इफ मतलब हम जैसे बेबी को बाहर ओवम कहीं से कलेक्ट किया एंड स्पर्म कहीं से कलेक्ट करके फर्टिलाइजेशन, आफ्टर दैट बेबी जो हमारा जाइगोट है, एम्ब्रियो की फॉर्मेशन हुई है, उसको डायरेक्टली यूट्रस में प्लांट करते हैं, देन इट इज वर्क एज अ सरोगेट मदर. इज इट क्लियर? हाँ जी, क्लियर है बेटा? हेलो,
ओके मैम।
क्लियर?